Hello everyone, I'm just gonna show you how to replace these ugly side markers that are in orange to a much nicer color. Already done the front, and this side is already done. I picked the dark translucent color so it matches kind of with my car color here. It's pretty good. You can also get these in your paint color if you like. So what you want to do first is turn the wheel all the way to the left or to the right, depending on which side you're doing. Then you're gonna unscrew 3 of these little bolts, screws, whatever they might be called. They're located, one's in here, one's in here, and the other one's up here. I like to use a little bungee cord to kind of keep the plastic back and give me some room to work with. What you want to do then is kind of stick your hand in there so you can feel where it is in the back. And what I do is use this adhesive remover, or you can use any kind of glue gun to kind of spray a little bit in these gaps right here. This will loosen the double-sided tape in the back and allow you to much more easily push this out. You're just gonna want to have to push this in until it kind of unsticks. I let it sit for probably a good 10 minutes just to make it easier. If you do need to pry on it with something, use a plastic screwdriver or maybe something that's not too sharp, and you can go from the back side and kind of push this away from the bumper. Just be very careful not to dent the plastic. Once I get to that point, I'll make another video. Just like that. Just pushed it in. You can see all of the glue that was used to stick the sun is actually stuck on the inside of the bumper, just right there. So you're gonna have to remove that completely before you can stick the new one in. I just use this scraper and a little bit more of the glue gun to make it an easier job. After that, use a nice cloth or microfiber towel to wipe it all clean and clean it with alcohol solution of some kind to make it nice and easy for the adhesive to connect to. Slowly push the glue up on the double-sided tape with the glue. Takes a while, but it has to be done. And then once that's done, you have to remove all of this adhesive, otherwise your new stuff will not stick. Alright, now that I've cleaned it with some alcohol, well, first with the glue gun, we cleaned that glue gun off with alcohol so the double-sided tape here can actually stick. Just gonna remove the double-sided tape's cover and then slide it in and stick it in, and that's gonna be it. Alright, and that's the finished product. I'm gonna put those screws back in so the covering's nice and tight. That's how it looks. Much better than the orange. And obviously the same on the other side. Hope you guys enjoyed and found it useful.